Hi, this is Bobby Hester on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this next clip, we're going to demonstrate how to clean the heads on a VCR. Over time, dust collects on the heads of the VCR and will cause it not to play properly. You can have tracking errors. It's very important to clean your VCR probably every 30 hours of use. That way your VCR will be operating to its full potential. I purchased this VCR VHS cleaning cassette. You can purchase this at just about any electronics dealer. And what it is it has a real soft cloth inside the tape instead of an actual videotape. And that cloth needs to be coated with the cleaning solution, and there's a little hole right there in the corner that the cleaning solution goes into. So we'll open up the cleaning solution, and when it's brand new, it's sealed, so you have to get a needle and puncture so that the cleaning fluid can come out. Now this cleaning fluid contains alcohol. Many of the products that we're showing in this series contains alcohol, and you need to be very aware of open flames or high heat sources because most of these products are flammable, so you need to be aware of that. And if you get any in your eyes or hands, you need to rinse your eyes or hands or exposed area for about 15 minutes in water. Most importantly, just follow the instructions that came with the product. So this product says to put 5 drops max, so we're going to put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the clean solution's in there. Now we just take the cassette and put it in, just like a regular VHS tape would. And we'll hit play. Now it'll be a little bit noisy because the heads are going across the cloth and it's cleaning the heads right now. So it sounds kind of bad, but it's normal. So we'll let that run for about 15 to 30 seconds. Okay, we've allowed the tape to run for about 30 seconds. So we'll hit stop and eject. And now our heads have been cleaned. It's very important, once you're finished with the tape, make sure and put it back in its case. That way it doesn't get damaged. So once you've completed your cleaning process, you need to allow your VCR to set for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that way it gives it time for that alcohol to evaporate, and after that time then your VCR is going to be ready for use.